Pictory.ai Video Generator. Pictory.ai is the tool that let you quickly and easily make video. It has so many features for makes video using AI. I show you how I can make video with AI just in 2 minutes. First part is script to video. Paste your scripts straight into Pictory. It will analyze your text in seconds and generates stunning videos using visuals sourced from over 10 million royalty-free videos, clips, and music tracks. This is the video that this AI video generator app makes without wasting time to find for best footages or waste time for make captions. If you click here, you can see it. Choose a good background music for the video based on my niche. Of course, Pictory choose the footages or background music for you, but you can also change them if you want. Here you can search for your desired words. Anything you want. Type your words and search it. It will show you too many videos you can use in your video if you got a premium account. You can also upload your assets from here. To change the background music, click on this option in the menu. Here you have too many options to choose. Now, in this part you can add AI-powered voiceover. It has a number of high-quality voiceovers. There are male or female voices for each niche you need. From this part you can upload your own voiceover or your own music background. With this AI video maker from text, you can have video is shorts size too. Click on this option. As you see here, you have option to choose different size. All these generating video processes under minutes and no technical skills required or software to download. It's an easy-to-use tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify video creation. Pictory.ai helps you create impressively realistic videos from your text content in minutes, and it is fantastic for creator. And this is why many creators use Pictory to automation their channels and other businesses. This is the AI that makes video for you in minutes. Link plus discount code in description. The next part is blog to video. Here you need to copy the blog post URL and then paste it here. In the next step, you have 2 parts. In the left Pictory source article text, and in the right side, it chooses the best part for you to make a video. You can customize it by add or remove any sentence you need easily. As I am doing this, you can also change the position of each sentence. Then after choosing your sentences, click on this option to continue. And the next part is same as the previous part I explained earlier. The next part is making shorts video from long videos. Click on this option. Here you must upload your video. In the next part, click on this option to choose the length of video you need. For example, I choose 1 minute. You can see it will highlight these sentences for me. And easily you can again customize it and remove any sentence you want or add any sentence you want in this way. Pictory.ai is really easy to use, and make videos with this AI video generator is really amazing. Now, you can download your video if you like it, but also you can click on this option to make some extra customization if you like. This is the exact part I explained. And the last part is for making videos from pictures. It is so easy. You just need to upload your desired images. Then click on this option to continue to the next level. Here is the main edit part. You can add text on each slide from Story tab to narrate it. You can now add any videos or image between these images easily and choose a background music or any edit you want. Use the link below to sign up and add the coupon code to get a great discount on each plan.